Hey guys, Shine here, and today I am going to be making slime. So let's get started. So I have my glue, my bowl, and my spoon. Let's go ahead and open the glue. Let's just pour a little bit, like that much. To add that much? Well, no. Still not much. This is glue all. Just gonna add a little bit of water to it. So let's add water. So I just added a little bit of water. You can see, so I'm gonna mix it up. And my activator. I gotta put my activator. I gotta get my activator. So I gotta get a cup. Where is my cup? So I gotta put my activator into something. I just realized I have nothing. So let's get a cup. I'll just pour it into this. So let's go. I'm gonna show my ones in here. My grandfather don't let me make slime here anymore. But I got my activator. So let's pour a little bit in here. That's too much, but who cares? We're not measuring, we're just pouring. Let's hope this works. Alright, so let's pretend I have something to drink in there. Alright, so let's go. I want to see if it pours out. Alright, there we go. Okay. Oh. Nice, so let's try to add some activator in it. Oh, sorry, it's hard. Sorry guys, my phone is on 15%. Alright, so let's just pour like a little bit. Now it's over a little bit. Let's mix it. It's already starting to form. Like, I'm not going in my hands. Let's hope this works out. Let's put a little bit more glue in there. Oh, that was over a little bit. This is so messy, you guys. You don't even know. I'm gonna go in my hands now. Yeah. Alright, so put my spoon. I'm gonna put my spoon somewhere. I'll put it on a napkin. I just got this slime. Ew. You guys, you don't know how long it's been since I've made slime. Literally. This is just like original, regular slime. It's not that bad. It's just like, I just gotta knead. It's not that stretchy, but let's just get all of this out. Like, I added too much activator, but who cares? This is still good. Like, look at this, look at this. It's like so pretty. Guys, last time I tried to make slime, it failed, but I haven't made slime in a long time. So good. I'm actually really proud of myself. It's not that stretchy. It's like, it's not stretchy. It's not that stretchy, but I'll take it. It's just so cool. So yeah, so I need to put this, I'll put this right here. About you guys, I do not want to stop touching this at all. Okay, let's put it over here to the side. Let's make another one, but this time let's do it blindfolded. So there's already some activator in here, but let's put something around my face so I can't see what I'm doing. A shirt should work. Yeah, it won't fit. Guys, I'm gonna do my pants because it'll work. Alright, so let's just. Oh no, it's Ronnie. Okay, what this thing at? Okay, let's just open this up. Okay. I'm just gonna do it with my eyes closed so you guys know I want to. So, yeah. Okay, so let's get the glue. Alright. Let's go. Okay. Where's my glue? Okay, that's my glue. Now where's my bowl? Okay, I'm scared. Wait, hold on, you guys, before I look. Let's get y'all back. So like, okay, alright. Let me pour it. Yeah. Alright, that should be good. It's not going. Okay. Now, here's the twist. You know what? I can't do it blindfolded. I have to use my finger. I can't use the spoon. Make sure you have parents' permission first before you start doing this, because I didn't. My dad don't know. Ew, God, too soon. Okay. Ah! No, it's going everywhere. You guys. Alright, I need more activator. Oh my God, I can't go with it. More activator. Oh gosh. You guys, this is messy. Mine. So it's just that much. Okay, so I got activator. Oh my God. Ah, no, not my pants. These are new pants. You guys, look. These are my pants. And they're new. Oh, you saw my belt. I was too scared to turn. Ew. God. Guys, it's all over my hands. I took it out too soon. But hey, it's stretchy. Let's just get it off of my legs and my hands. I don't see how much glue I have left. That glue strip. How do you get it? I love this slime. So yeah, so that's it for today's video. Bye.